tell me my style is terrific. Stupendous, tremendous. I've been just a little bit more than the average whore. Cause I'm focused, I rock beside.
But right now, I don't even wish to be the best. I just want to be one of them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shay Shakur, the only urban goddess on this YouTube platform. How y'all doing today? So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I refreshen up my fitting braids. Now I know there's plenty of videos telling you guys that you need hair mousse, which is true, you know, you not got the frizz, but what do you do when you don't have any hair mousses? What do you do? I hope you're not thinking about taking them out because you need your money worth. So if you want to figure out how to freshen up your fitting braids without hair mousse, then this is the video for you, okay? Now first things first, you do want to moisturize your scalp. Now I don't have any grease, so I decided to use the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner for my scalp. I love this stuff, y'all. I would really recommend this for you guys. It makes my scalp feel so good. So yeah. Why did I just say yeah like that? I had these feed-in braids for about 2 weeks now, and it's about time for me to take them out, but I don't want to do my hair, so now what I have is the Shining Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold with Honey. Now the products that I have in this video, you really don't have to have them because there's 2 different types of jams that I'm using in this video, so either or will do you some good. So what you do is, what I do is put it between my parting, because between my parts is like really frizzy, okay? And of course you got to bring out them edges, okay? It's like just bring them out because them things gonna be laid and slayed. Sis. So basically you're going to continue on with putting the jam in between your parts, basically on the frizzy parts between your braids. And yeah, self-explanatory. What you doing?
I'm at Navy Federal. I just left the gym.
How was it?
It really went down for real.
Did you at least hoop?
Oh yeah, it was hooping, but he just went, I'm not shit for real.
Oh, it wasn't a lot of people there?
Nah, not for real.
Now, I know you guys may have a few little worries or concerns, you know, about buildup. And guys, to be honest, I don't really experience a lot of buildup when it comes to these products. Now, I will say that your hair may be a little greasy or oily after the fact, but you know, it's really worth it. I really recommend you guys to do this when you don't have any hair mousse. You know, when you don't have hair mousse, I really don't recommend you guys to do this every day, but you know, when you're short on hair products, this is the way, okay? Yes, this is how y'all use this tool the right way, okay? Because y'all just be taking advantage of these edge tools. This is how you're doing.
Take no chances, fuck them niggas. Wanna hate on me. I don't wanna love myself. I'm praying that you don't love me. You don't wanna. I should have let you know. set your mind when we want.
Also, I do know that these products don't really work well with other hair textures. My hair is permed, but this video is not really that permed, but you know, my hair is permed, I'm relaxed. And yeah, this product really works well for me. Well, you guys, this is the final look. Get into it. Now, these braids look basically brand new. Not brand new, I'll probably say like a week old, if not that. Every time I do this trick, everyone says my hair looks good, and I'm like, sis, do you not know how ugly and atrocious these braids were before I laid it? Like, girl. But thank you guys for watching. I hope this tip works for some of you guys. Again, I don't recommend this, you know, to do this every day, but when you're short on products, this is the way to go. So thank you guys for watching. I love y'all. Glit it.
Tonight, tonight, tonight.